So guys, there's a 20% off any order you purchase from the website using the code RVIP20. Please don't forget to use it to get a 20% off. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you to my returning subscribers, and if you're new here, my name is Ego. I'm into fashion and lifestyle content. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button to join this amazing growing family, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my videos. Today I'm going to be showing you guys something really beautiful and really amazing. So this company sent me this jewelry and I'm going to be doing a review on it. Yes, grab your coffee and let's get straight into the video, guys. So this company sent me this jewelry beautifully packaged in this box. I love an intentional company, you know, like see how beautiful it is, see how beautifully packaged it is with the red ribbon on it. Yes guys, so let's open it. And by the way, the box is really solid. Let's open it and see what's inside. Yay, beautiful. Came with this card, the jewelry care card, just how to take care of your jewelry basically, and came with the steps outlined here. So it also came with a beautiful thank you card which says Sayabling, shine as you are. So Sayabling, thank you for this beautiful product. So yeah, let's get into the deal of the day. Okay, now this came beautifully packaged like this. I'm just going to take it out and open the box. It's a ring, guys. This is beautiful, you know. So I'll just take it out. Now this is a beautiful box to keep this after taking it off the wrap. So when I'm going to store this, I'll store it here. It's from Sayabling, shine as you are. Yes, so this is it. This is the first jewelry sent to me. There's another one in the box, but let's do this first. So this is a ring. It was wrapped with this, I guess, for protection too, and then in that box. So I'm going to take it out so we can see. Okay guys, oh, this is beautiful. My goodness, can you see? It's beautiful. And you know the beautiful part of this is the company doesn't just send it to you, they ask you to like send your measurements so they know the exact size to craft for you. And that was what they did. And you know why I'm so excited about this? I haven't changed my wedding ring since I got married. I've just been with this one. Yeah, so this is a way for me to switch, you know, just once in a while. And I'm going to match with whatever I'm putting on. I'll just switch to this. So guys, I love the fact that it has this beautiful stone in it. Can you see? Like, tell me you don't love this. This is beautiful. It's shining. It's, oh, I know why they said shine as you are, because it's shining. Yeah, I love it. I love the silver hardware on it, and it's looking like diamond. Can you see? I love it so much. I'm going to be trying this on so we can see how it looks on me. So I'll just take out the size. This is the size written on it. So I'll just take this out. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I am in love. I am so in love with this. This is beautiful, guys. I've always wanted this rock kind of ring, just for changing with my wedding rings, you know. I've always wanted it, and I got it from Sayabling. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I really love this. I love the fact that it's big. It is beautiful. It is solid. It. I'm not sure this is going to wash. No. I'm not sure it's going to peel. I'm not sure it's going to rust. This is beautiful. This is solid. This looks authentic. And guys, you should get one for yourself. For the males, you can get it for your wife as a gift. Just something to, interchange with your wedding ring. Doesn't mean she's dumping your wedding ring, but just something to change with it. And also, if you're planning to get married or get engaged, please go to the website and get one of these. This is beautiful. Oh my goodness. Guys, you're going to be seeing this in my videos. And when you see it, just know it's from Sayabling. I've always wanted a silver, like a diamond ring. Yeah, this is it. It's just a change, like I said, with my wedding ring. So yeah, I got one from Sayabling. Thank you so much. Yes, guys, let's get into the second jewelry of the day. Yay! Sayabling also sent this. So let's take it out to see what it looks like and appreciate the beauty even more. So guys, this is a necklace. It's like a choker. It's a bone necklace, right? So this is the size. I'm just going to take it out so we can try it on. Okay, off it goes. Now this is it. This is the beautiful choker. Can you see? This is beautiful, guys. This is a bone choker. It's not your regular necklace. This is a bone necklace. You just put it around your neck and clip it in, just like this. See? It wouldn't fall out. So you just clip it like this. And it has this beautiful pendant on it. I love it. And it matches with my ring, by the way. I didn't know. Yeah, I just found out that it does. Okay, so let's put this on and see how it looks like on me. Remember, it's very easy. It's an easy clip on. So here we go, guys. Now this is beautiful. This is lovely. Do you know what I'll be rocking this with? With my native attire, guys. Yes, I'm going to be rocking with my native attire. I'll rock it with anything you feel like putting on that you think will match and go with this. This is beautiful, guys. Can you see? Ah, my goodness. I love it. I love it. Thank you so much, Sayabling. I love it. And you can see it's beautiful. It's exactly my size. I chose the size and this was what I got. I didn't want it to be too loose. I don't want it to be too tight. So I got this. Perfect. How does it look on me, guys? I know it's cute. Yeah, so guys, tell me, will you be getting this? Let me know in the comment section if you think it's worth purchasing. I love it. I'm adding it to my jewelry collection and you should get one. Even if you don't want this design, there's so many designs on the website that you can get. Now, I'm going to be dropping the links, the websites on how to purchase this jewelry. They have so many jewelry that you can go check out. I'm going to be dropping it in my description box. So please do well to check it and then purchase yours. This is solid. This is beautiful. This is going to last for so long. It is not going to wash off anytime soon. It is not going to rust anytime soon. This is beautiful. It's affordable, by the way. It's affordable. It's something you can purchase. It's something you can like save up and get, you know. You don't have to break the bank for it. It is affordable. It is authentic. It is sophisticated. It is luxurious. It is beautiful, guys. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you for staying till the end. Thank you. It means a lot to me. That will be all for today, guys. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to comment, don't forget to share my videos. Okay, I really do appreciate you guys. See you in my next video. Bye bye.